If you ever thought that eggplants are bland, boring or simply difficult to cook, then stay with me because today's recipe is about to change your mind. Today we're making deliciously baked eggplant stuffed with fluffy couscous and colorful vegetables, a wholesome, satisfying and completely plant-based meal that's bursting with flavor. Let's get started with the eggplants. Slice them in half lengthwise, generously season the cut sides with salt and drizzle them with olive oil. The salt helps bring out their flavor and makes the flesh wonderfully tender, while roasting creates a beautiful golden finish. Place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the eggplants are roasting, let's prepare the filling. Heat a little coconut oil in a pan, then add finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Right away your kitchen will start filling with an incredible aroma. Next, add diced bell pepper, sliced, leeked and chopped zucchini. Season everything with salt and pepper. Then saute for a few minutes until the vegetables become tender while still keeping their vibrant color and freshness. Once the vegetables are nicely softened, stir in some tomato paste for a rich depth of flavor, followed by freshly chopped tomatoes. Finally add the chickpeas, which bring a wonderful texture and plenty of plant-based protein. Let everything simmer together for a few more minutes so all the flavors blend beautifully. Now it's time to prepare the couscous. Bring some water to a boil. If you have vegetable broth, you can use that, but today I'm simply seasoning the water with salt and olive oil. Once it reaches a boil, turn off the heat, add the couscous, cover it and let it absorb all the liquid. When it's ready, fluff it gently with a fork so it stays light and fluffy. Then mix it together with the sautéed vegetables until everything is evenly combined. The result is a rich, fragrant filling packed with delicious flavors. By now the eggplants should be perfectly roasted. Using a fork, gently press down the flesh to create a little more space for the filling. Then generously stuff each half with the couscous and vegetable mixture. For an extra fresh and creamy finish, add a spoonful of plant-based yogurt on top and sprinkle with your favorite fresh or dried herbs. It adds the perfect finishing touch and takes this dish to the next level. And that's it, a simple recipe full of vibrant color, incredible flavors and wholesome ingredients that proves eggplants can be anything but boring. They're soft, juicy, packed with aromatic filling and perfect for both lunch and dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you're looking for even more easy and healthy meal ideas, be sure to check out my playlist filled with many more tasty dishes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.